I'm an electrical engineer by training, and I have to say I did not hear anything about international standardization during my education, which is sad. Then 2013 I had the chance to participate at the IEC Young Professional workshop in New Delhi, and that kind of opened my mind. I learned about the impact of standardization, the international aspect, the intercultural work, the technical aspects, and how this all goes together. And since then I'm stayed active in the standardization world. I helped set up our German Mirror program, our German National Young Professional program. And from there, at one point, I decided to do it full-time. So I changed from the honorary work to working for the German National Committee, where since 2019 I am the head of external relations and also member of our executive board. Participating in the IEC Young Professional program was a really big opportunity for me, and I did not know anything about international standards before, or nearly anything, and this was kind of a kickstart from 0 to 100. And you make connections, you talk a lot to peers from around the world, and you also learn, of course, about the governance structure and the way standards are done. And what I think is really important is that this one very intense week, that's not everything. You need to also process and keep being active and enhance your network. That's why I think it's really beneficial to also have something to come home to, like a National Young Professional program. Those together, the IEC Young Professional program, which is a one-time event for most people, 1 week, and then with the knowledge and the network you learn, you come back home and then you make the best out of it. That's important in my opinion. I don't know any reason why someone should not participate at the IEC Young Professional program, because it's such a big opportunity. You get to meet a lot of people in your age from around the world. You work with them on problems, and by doing this you learn about the international standardization process. So it's a really nice community. It's also fun, and in a fun way you learn a lot about IEC and about the benefit of international standardization. So this is really beneficial, and I can only tell to everyone to apply for the program and hope to be selected. My path from being a former IEC Young Professional brought me today to Geneva, where I'm honored to be the SMB member for Germany. SMB is IEC's Standardization Management Board, and that's where we discuss which is the new technologies, what parts we want to have in a new TC. And obviously AI is something we discuss a lot, and there will be plenty of opportunities. And I like to call it opportunities. Obviously there is also risks, but let's focus on the good things. And AI can do a lot of good things and help develop standards maybe faster. Of course, it's important to focus on the quality and make sure everything which ends up in a standard is also correct.